Benny Digital, Rigged AI, FOMC Preview, JPow Day, baby. All right, look at this thing. 930 to 1400. What happens? Nothing. Just ping pong right at this strike. Okay, 465. Look at this setup before. Look at all the green florbs. 1400 is when the event is. Look at the setup. I mean, does it get cleaner than that? It completely just switches, right? It just switches. I mean, look at this thing. That is the perfect setup. That is just telling you that this thing is ready to go higher. You don't see one. There's not one red florb after 1318. I mean, crazy, right? Okay, 1400, the interest rate decision drops, whatever that means. Look what happens. 1, 2, 3. So we go up 3 before the press conference even starts. There's a small move back down to 3, but then we go 4, 5, 6. 6 strikes before we get anything to come down. So we go up to 6, back down to 4, and then we close up 6. So this one played out a little bit differently than other dates, and we'll go into those in a second. But normally we get a move, a swing, and then a move. This time, we got a move basically straight up, 6 strikes. There's your swing, and then continuation. You could have traded it here and gotten 3, or 2.5, 3. But really, remember, setup, shoo. I mean, this thing was the same on the QQQ too. A little bit different, not quite there. Where's this thing at 1400? Right at the blue line. They're trying to bear it down. No. Remember, when this thing's in hawk mode, we do not get in the way. We do not stop. Just let it happen. Go in, follow the action. Follow the price action, baby. Let's go and check out. This is another one. So this is before Rigged had the events in there nicely. 1400 is the event. FOMC drops. We go up. We come down, and then we turbo rip up. This one's a little bit different. 3 strikes is 423-ish. You know, if we're going to, 419, 4 strikes. What'd you get for the day? Let's check the QQQ. 1400, get the spike. Nothing really happens till the press conference. Oh, it goes down. Look. You get to follow the price action. Shoo, up. Easy money, baby. Easy money. Let's go look. One more date. This is when the market used to still go down. This was interesting because we've changed the system a little bit to not trigger lottos as much during the middle. But look, move, swing, move. Okay, move, swing, move. And this happened really fast, and the real move, started after the press conference, which is a little bit different than what we saw in December. But still, the mindset going into this needs to be like, hey, 4 strikes, 5 strikes, not impossible. And you'll know which way it's going, right? Because here, you're down 2, it comes back, and then here you could chase it, as it starts to fall. Same thing. Swing, boom. You're like, hey, this is going to be the real one. And this goes 356%, closing out a low. 1213, that was the craziest one we've seen in the history of Rigged AI. Let's hope we get something similar, but the big things to remember for tomorrow, we don't want to trade anything until this happens. 1330 on, we are looking to see how they set up, and we're following it, right? Following it. This was just a little bit different because, hey, press conference started, and it looked like we were going to pull back, and then it just kept ripping straight up, face melter. I mean, look at that thing. Press conference still going. If you're on the opposite side, you think it's going to go. Tight stop loss, baby. It's going to be a crazy day. Can't wait to see you guys out there.